Hello my lovely crafters, today I'll show you a little 6 inches moving doll with nice wardrobe. Link on the template you will find in the description of this video. So the first outfit is dark blue jeans, a beige top and a brown scarf which adds a touch of charm. Leather boots, shorts and cute t-shirt perfectly complete the doll's look. We can also wear a leopard print top instead of previous top, giving the doll a choice of what to wear depending on the occasion. The brown top is complemented by a beautiful accessory. Paired with a striped skirt, the doll looks simply stunning. A pink tunic suits this doll perfectly, and you can wear it with a pair of beautiful leather spats. Brown trousers and vest perfectly complete the doll's look. This outfit is perfect for going to a cafe or a movie. A leopard print dress with spats and a beautiful scarf is a wonderful outfit that can be worn on a date or for a walk. You can also add a handbag or a light coat. So let's make a doll first. I glue the arm pieces together. To make holes for mini brads, you can use hole puncher with 1.5mm hole or a needle instead. Then I take mini brads and I put it into the hole. Then add the second piece of the arm. The important thing is to cut the ends of mini brads so we can hide them. Now I take the body part and attach hands in the same way as we did in elbows. After I glue the final part of the arm and it's done. Repeat for the other arm and I glue the body. Time to make legs. Again I made holes and I'm using mini brads to attach leg detail. I repeat for another leg and finally glue the front parts. Now I need to repeat all these steps with the lower parts of the legs. So now our doll is ready. Let's make cover. For the closet, glue stripes for the back sides. Flip it over and add 2 more stripes. Then glue the cover details. Next we need to make a pocket for the doll. Glue 3 stripes of double-sided tape along the edge and attach the pocket to the cover. Use double-sided tape, cut small piece, attach it to the clothes and secure it to the hangers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!